Greetings. Today tinoda kuita Venn diagrams with more than two subsets. So before we get into our lesson, tinoda kutanga tangoexplaina briefly kuti chii chinonzi subset. Saka tiri panhau iyi, let us give an example. Ngatiti tine universal set yakadai so. It's A, B, C up to Z. So this is the closed set we have. Tine universal set E. Ngatiti we have a subset A, which is equal to A, B, C, D, the first four letters of the English alphabet. Saka tikada kuzinyora in set notation, tinenge tichitu isusu A is a subset of the universal set. Saka nasi we are not so much inclined towards kana kuti so much interested in set notation. Chandinoda kungoratidza ndechekuti kana tichiti subset tinenge tichitaura pamusoro pe a section of the elements of the universal set. Kana tichiti subset, in essence tiri kutaura isusu tichiti this is part of the universal set. Saka tikadraw a Venn diagram, we have a better understanding of what a subset is. So this will be our example. We have a Venn diagram like this. Then we have set A. Saka Venn diagram and tinenge tine universal set iri bound. Understand? So in our previous lesson, ndakatsanangura ini ndichiti the universal set is the universe of the subsets inside the universal set. Maona. Saka A ino ish inenge chinzi it's a subset of the universal set. Saka ma subsets katanga tichidhila nawo in most cases anga ari two. An example being A and B, like this. Ndo ma subsets atanga tichidhila nawo. Now manje takuda kuintroduce a Venn diagram which primarily has three subsets. Chakuitika nawo ndechekuti takuintroduce a third subset. So in ordinary level mathematics, we are limited to my universal sets kana kuti ma Venn diagram anenge aine at the most three subsets. It's very rare. Actually, it's non-existent kuwana a Venn diagram or a universal set in a more than three subsets. That is if kana tichida kuzodraw a Venn diagram in the process of answering the question. Tinogona kuwana the question in a 4 or 5 subsets, but in that case we are not expected to draw a Venn diagram. So you know our course reader, New General Mathematics Book 3, Tiripa chapter 15 and page 128. So I want to read out zvakanyorwa explaining this concept. Venn diagrams can be drawn to represent any number of sets, though they become very complicated if the number is large. Fig 15.6 is a Venn diagram for three subsets of a universal set. So if you're opening this book, I'm sure you can see Fig 15.6, which is so much similar to the Venn diagram we've drawn on the board. Diagrams such as Fig 15.6 can be used to simplify problems at first sight, which at first sight appear to be difficult. So mathematics should also be understood visually. I was listening to a podcast yesterday on mathematics, and this lady mathematician, she actually said, when we do mathematics, there are certain neural pathways which light up in our brain. Saka tikatora, maybe it's an MRI scanner, and then munhu otanga kuita maths, brain dzake dzakavhenekwa nemushini zvichionekwa activity iri kuitika in the brain. There are certain neural pathways which light up. Asi ma-neural pathways aya ari connected to visual stimuli kana kuti ari connected to what happens when we see something. Saka in order for us to best understand mathematics, we should be able in the same breath to understand it visually. So chinoita kuti kusolva masets ne-Venn diagram kuve easier in a way kuti we are visualizing zviri kuitika pamasets. So I just wanted to throw that fact in kuti when you are answering questions, try to answer it as visual as possible. So now what we want to do is tiri kuda ku introduce a question. So let us bring our first example. That is our first example. In a group of students, 18 play football, 19 play basketball, and 16 play volleyball. 6 play football only, 9 play basketball only, 5 play football and basketball only, and 2 play basketball and volleyball only. How many play? Saka, we are told here kuti it's a group of students. Then we are told kuti those who play football. Saka, to answer this, we'll just write football players. Taudzwa kuti vangani? It's 18. Zvikanzi 19 play basketball. So for basketball players, we are told that it's 19. Zvikanzi 16 play volleyball. So volleyball players, we are told that it's 16. But pataudzwa kuti 18 play football, 19 play basketball, 16 play volleyball. Can we use that same information to answer the first part of our question? That is not wise. Because in most cases, pama questions emasets, pa 18 vanzi vanotamba football. We do not necessarily know kuti pa 18 ipapo hapana here vamwe vanotamba both football and basketball. Saka let us say kuti 19 ndo vanotamba basketball, as we are told. Asi pa 19 ipapo pane 8 vanotamba basketball, asi vachitamba futi chi football. Saka ku answer the first part of our question inoti how many play all 3 games, tongoti 18 plus 19 plus 6. It's not wise because tinoita we count twice. And let me try to break down my explanation. Let us say inini ndinotamba all 3 sports. Saka 18 vanotamba football ndiripo, pa 19 vanotamba basketball ndiripo, pa 16 vanotamba volleyball ndiripo. Of course, at school there are some students who were really good in sport, and it so much happened with most of the time they were not so good in academics. Saka our schooling systems, especially here in Africa, Zimbabwe in particular, have failed students because we have students who are really good in a certain area but not so much good in academics. But every qualification, not every job, seems to require 5 O-levels. Saka I'm just throwing a fact there. Saka inini I play football, basketball, volley. And saka iwe ukasvika ukangoedha kuti 18 plus 19 plus 16, the mistake you have done is you have counted me thrice. You understand? So we have to understand this question in a better way. Let us now read further. Zviri kunzi 9 play basketball only. Saka tikati taunyora machiti basketball only, it's 9. Kureva kuti pa 19 vanotamba basketball panapa, we actually have only 9 vanotamba basketball chete, kureva kuti the remaining 10 vane imwe sport yavanotambawo. So 9 play basketball only, 5 play football and basketball. Saka panapa chatanga tisina kunyora ndechekuti football players we are going to represent that set with the letter F. For basketball we use B, for volley we use V. Saka apo pakanyorwa pachinzi what does it say? 5 play football and basketball only. Zvirongoreva panapa ndezvekuti football intersecting basketball could be equal to 5. 5 play football and basketball only. Why tati F intersecting B? Inawe yekuti intersection inoreva kuti munhu ari kuwanikwa kwese. Saka vanhu 5 vari kuwanikwa kufootball nekubasketball. Saka tati F intersecting B gives us 5. Saka kuzinyora in this way will help us with the Venn diagram, and you'll see very soon what I mean. Then if we read further, zviri kunzi and 2 play basketball and volleyball only. Saka basketball and volleyball, the intersection is 2. Then if we read further, Shakzons how many play all 3 games. In order for us to understand, or rather to answer this question, we have to bring up a Venn diagram. So this is going to be our Venn diagram, like this. And we have 3 subsets. Tina F, Tina B, then lastly Tina V, like this. Saka tamapatanidza so, assuming kuti kune vanototamba everything: football, basketball and volleyball. That having been said, let us try to fill in the information we have here. Taudzwa isusu kuti kudini. Football players, it's 18. Saka paset rese refootball panapa, we could end up with what? With 18. But information here taudzwa yakakosha kuti F intersecting B is actually 5. Those who play football and basketball only, they are 5. Saka 5 yacho inonyorwa papi? 5 yacho inonyorwa panapa. So let us use a different color. Zvizooneka 5 panapa. Anditi? Then 5 yanyorwa panapa. Tazoudzwa isusu kuti B intersecting V, those who play basketball and volleyball only, it's equal to 2. Saka 2 yacho inonyorwa papi? Inonyorwa panapa, like this. This is to fill in this information. Then we are told kuti kudini, those who play basketball only, it's equal to 9. 9 vacho vanonyorwa papi? Panapa. For the reason yekuti 9 tavanyora apa nepamusana pekuti vari kutamba basketball chete. Saka maybe before we go anywhere, regai ndidai so chimbozama kuexplaina Venn diagram iri tisati taisa numbers, because most of our students find it difficult to understand kuti Venn diagram rinofamba sei. So this is the Venn diagram. Saka munomu muregion ino ishi E, ngora kuti munomu chete muchapinda chii? Umu muna F muchangopinda vanotamba chi? Football chete. You see? Saka mopinda vanotamba football chete, muno umu mobva mapinda chi? Vanotamba football and basketball. Football and basketball ndo vachapinda intersection munomu. Umu mopinda vanotamba chi? Football, basketball, volley. Roti vanotamba everything ndo vanopinda pakati panapa. Then panapa ozopinda vanotamba chi? Football nevolley. football nevolley. So this is how we should understand this Venn diagram. Muno mopinda vefootball chete, umopinda vanotamba football and basketball chete, pakati popinda vanotamba everything, then muno mopinda vanotamba football nevolley chete. The same happens muno basketball chete, basketball and football, basketball and volleyball zvese, volley chete, basketball and volley, actually volley and basketball, volley and football vese, not zvese. Saka we should have this visual understanding of the Venn diagram before we proceed. So this is what I wanted to do. Saka I think this explains why panzi basketball only 9 tavaisa muno, panzi football and basketball only 5 taisa home, panzi basketball and volley only 2 taisa home. So tasarwa nepakati panapa. But there's an understanding I want you to have, a very critical understanding. What is that understanding? Understanding ndeyekuti a set should be balanced. And by balancing a set, ndrekuti if we add everything inside a set, it should result in the number of elements in that set. Set ra B nderino iri rinopinda muintersection naF ropinda muintersection nezvese ropinda muintersection naV. Saka we have filled out every other space. We have filled out 9, 5 na2. Tasarwa nepakati panapa. Yet pakati pari kurepresenta vanotamba everything. Saka kuti tiwane kuti pakati pakamira sei, it's a simple equation. Not an equation really. What we are just going to do is, we have been told that those who play basketball, in their totality, everyone who plays basketball, they sum up to 19. Saka if they sum up to 19, we have to add 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus x pakatapo, it should result in what? In 19. What is 9 plus 5? That is 14 plus 2, 16. Then, of course, we are going to say 19 minus 16. That is what? That is 3. Kureva kuti pakatapo panopinda chi? Pakatapo pachaenda 3. Saka we have found that quite easily. Asi pa information yatapiwa in the question taudzwa isusu kuti 6 play football only. Tazodzwa papi panapa 6 play football only. Saka because of that 6 ichauya papi? Ichauya mukatu panapa. And because 6 ichauya panapa, we know isusu kuti 6 kuti vese vanotamba football it's 18. Kureva kuti kana takuda kutsvaga this missing number, it's just we are just saying let me put it here, handisi kuda kuconfuse. Saka tiri kuti isusu 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus, let us say patisingazivi panapa ndi y it's equal to what? To 18. It means 6 plus 5 then it's 11 plus 3 makes it 14. Kureva kuti here we have 14 plus y is equal to 18. Mind you, question inoti show all working, saka zvandikuita izvi zvinenge zvichitoshowewa as working. Then saka y inge iri equal to 18 minus 14, which means y iri equal to 4. Mapaona? Saka since y iri equal to 4, papachanetsa kuwana here mukati muno. Because taudzwa isusu kuti volleyball players vangani? They are 16. Saka knowing kuti volleyball players they are 16, it's just saying 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus, let us say ndi z muno, z is equal to what? 16. Then 4 plus 3, that's 7, plus 2 ndi 9. So 9 plus z is equal to 16. Z inge equal to 9 ika crosser over the equal sign ikaenda kuside uku inosvika iri negative. So 16 minus 9, what is it? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 7. Saka mukati umu munani? Muna 7. Tadai so tinenge tatoita fill out everything. Question yedu haiindicate kuti kune ma-students asina esport in a group of students. Saka kucomplement kunoku, kana chiti compliment kureva kunze kunoku, we do not necessarily expect kuwana a student because hatina kuudzwa pamusoro pema-students asina sport yaanoita. Okay, that have been said, let us now go to the question. Question yedu iri kuti part A, how many play all three games? Saka 3 vana they play all three games because ndo iri pakati is the intersection of all subsets. Saka 3 play all games. Then part B iri kuti football and volleyball only. So football and volleyball only, we have 4 as the answer. Then C iri kuti volleyball only, tina 7 panapa pa C. Then D iri kuti if 8 play no games at all, how many students are there all together? Saka taudza kuti 8 play all games at all. Kureva kuti tiri kubvunzwa kuti tiwane the universal set, which should be equal to what? We add everything inside the Venn diagram. Saka tiri kuadda 8 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7, everything. Of which tikada kuzviadda izvi zvinotipa chii? Saka for that question, we are tasked kuti tiwane the universal set, and in our addition tichangoti susu 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8, which gives us 44. Saka tadaiso teta kungoti therefore there are 44 students altogether. As easy as that. Saka kana tadaiso tatopedza this example, is it difficult? I doubt. Concept inofanira kungodzidzwa panapa ndeyekuziva kuti the set should be balanced. The set should reflect the number of players. Saka tikaadda 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 tinowana 18. Tikaadda 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 tinowana 19. Tikaadda 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 tinowana 16. Kana tadaro we have proved our what? Our method.